This is a rusty bike chain, and in the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to completely fix this problem and get your bike back to riding well again. I found this bike in the garbage at the end of my street, and the chain's so rusty that the bike is currently unrideable. My first step in reviving this bike is to soak the chain in penetrating oil to help free up the frozen links and also remove some of the rust. I'm using liquid wrench spray, but WD-40 would also work well if you don't have that. Just make sure you're working in a garage area that's somewhat easy to clean up, because this is going to get a little bit messy. After letting the oil sit for a few minutes, I pedaled the gears again, and there's some improvement after this step, but the bike's still unrideable due to the frozen links. So I soaked the chain again with another layer of penetrating oil, and then I used my hands to try and work some of the frozen links free. For the very stubborn links, I actually ended up using 2 sets of pliers to wiggle the links back and forth until they started moving, and this turned out to be very effective. After this step, there was a big improvement in the bike's performance, although it still wasn't fully fixed, so I soaked the chain again in penetrating oil and then just let it sit overnight. The next day, I started by wiping off the chain to remove some of the surface rust, and then I applied another coat of penetrating oil and pedaled the chain backwards to work it in. My next step was to carefully identify all of the remaining frozen links and then go over them one by one and break them free with the pliers. At this point, the chain was now running smoothly in both the forwards and backwards direction. With the chain moving well, I moved on to the final phase of cleaning and lubrication. I went through my full chain cleaning and lubrication process, and I actually have a separate video on that, so I'm going to link to it below. So after all these steps, your chain should now be spinning freely and going through all the gears like it should. The chain's still going to have a rusty appearance, but it should be clean and dry to the touch.